Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a table in a Microsoft Word document. First open your Word document and select this insert option. Here you will find this table option, select and select your row and column area. This table already inserted. Decrease this table size and move. Now you can insert, click this layout option. Here you will find this insert row above, insert row below. Also you can insert here column left and right. This is now since this table border and fill color, this fill color, so this fill color already changed. Again select this table and select layout option and select your properties, border and shading. First I choose border white and border color I will choose red. I select OK. OK. Yeah, this is. Now type your text here. Yeah, this is. I'll increase text size. This. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.